Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. As you can see, I finally made it back to Germany, and I think there is no better way to trying to find back into your groove than starting with a shop maintenance project. And I want to start by building a place where those three machines can live. Those are all sharpening machines that I absolutely need, but never use because I'm lazy to set them up. So today I want to fix that and build a cool station for all my sharpening machines. As always, I want to work with what I have, and I have two of those cool aluminum boxes that might be perfect for the job. Oops. I think this is too small to fit all of three in, but this could be just right. So let's try to figure this out. Okay, first problem. This is super heavy. I think that's the main problem of the whole build. This is heavy. And that's why I never use it, because I'm too lazy to pick it up.
Super praktisch.
Super praktisch. So far so good. I like if I could wall mount this and open it like this, and this is more sturdy, and this is more sturdy, but then this is my kind of work table. I can close this up. It's all dust collected, dust protected, which is a big deal for me. They need to be safe. So this I like. It just needs to be more sturdy, and it needs to be more comfortable. Okay. Maybe on drawer slides or something? Das ist einfach die allerbeste Erfindung der Welt,
Mega.
ne? Was ist denn hier für eine Unordnung? Oh Gott, was? Akku leer.
Nicht dein Ernst?
Yay! moment of truth. Oh. Okay, one side is in, the other side is out. Okay, hold on, that's good, that's good. That was either really good or really bad. Oh, it was bad. The main problem that we have is that we know that the lid will be under a very heavy load. So we need some kind of structure. I think I found a pretty perfect solution. Check this out. It's a bicycle chain and it's so strong, but it folds much nicer than a regular chain. And it is much more flexible than if I just took a piece of flat steel, you know? It's so good. And especially check this out right here. The bolt fits right through it. Perfect. It's not like I measured this. This is completely accidental, but it looks perfect. Okay? Ist da ein Mäuschen drin oder was? Okay, what started as a project that I have to do, as a shop maintenance project, ended up being something that I really, really like. I love the design, I love how it looks, the proportion, and most of all, I love this. Check it out. You see that? Yeah? Nice! This is so good. The idea was to make it as easy as possible for me to do the stuff that I don't want to do, and that is sharpening my chisels and my drill bits. And I think with this, I got a whole lot closer to having sharp chisels because I love this so much. I want to use it all the time. Okay, let's take it for a test drive. the only thing left to do is to learn how to actually use all of these machines, but the setup is awesome and I think I will actually use them a lot more now. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I will see you next week with a new video.